Okay, you guys, I'm going to try to keep this short, but I know I'm connected to a lot of business owners on here. So I just had to share this. So if you are an affiliate marketer, if you're in an MLM, direct sales, social retail, you have an Etsy shop, you're on Amazon, you sell ebooks, you sell courses, it doesn't matter what it is. This is something that I just learned about a week ago, and I just have to share it. If you need more sales, now I'm not talking about traffic, I'm not talking about clicks, I'm talking about getting real guaranteed sales for your business, no matter what it is. Reach out to me, comment below, send me a DM. You have to see this. This is actual guaranteed sales for whatever business you're doing. So let me know if you want the info.